guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing my Ego collection, so let's get right into this video. Okay, so if y'all don't know, I'm obsessed with Ego. Y'all can go check out the other shoe videos. There's a lot on my channel. So I'm going to go through my Ego heels also because I have to like pack up soon, and this is like a final goodbye even though they're going right back to my house. So let's just start. So the first one we're going to talk about, y'all, the go-go shoes. Go-go shoes, club shoes, whatever you want to call them, they're so pretty. I love these because of the clear, also because of the diamond heels. Also, I always say you could use them as a weapon because you can if you need to, ladies. Don't, safety. But I just love an extra shoe. They're wide right here, so they're comfortable. These are actually, I'm actually surprised. Out of all my shoes, all my heels, these are the most comfortable when I walk in them. They're very comfortable because it's like your foot is flat-footed, but it's also not a high heel. It's not too high. Some people might think this is too high. I'm tall and I don't think it's too high, but they just feel really good on the feet. So that says a lot. That's really a big deal with heels, guys. There's a lot of shoes, some that I have too, that are like very uncomfortable because they're so high. Let's get right to the next beauty we have are these. Okay, y'all, these are kind of like, I have to make sure I clean these good. They've been in the closet, so I can't really complain. These are the OGs. These are the first heels I've ever bought. These are the ones that everybody have. You see how small the heels are? That's why, surprisingly, these are not, they're like comfortable, but like depending on what you walk on. I remember wearing these on Mother's Day when I took my mom out to like a really beautiful dinner with my sisters. And the road was like a gravel road, and y'all, they was hurting my feet. But like I said, it just depends on the road, like what you walk on. But they're very small, so they're not like too high, so you don't have to be uncomfortable. The heel isn't too thin at all, so it's like, it definitely just like depends on what you walk on. But these go with everything. You really cannot go wrong with white shoes. And my other white shoes I have that are not here, which you will see, are like my next one, which I'm just going to get these for y'all. So my white ones, they are at the house. I think I bought them because I was wearing no outfit for some and I left them, but I had to move out anyway, so I was like, I'm not mad. They're just like this. They're just white with the gold trim. These are so cute. Who doesn't love green? It's really rare, I think, seeing people wear like green heels. I like that people start, you see a lot on Instagram, people color clashing. That's what I'm trying to start doing. That's what I'm trying to buy, the different color heels, y'all, because green don't go with everything, but you can make it work if you put a really cute outfit together. So these are stringy and they tie all the way up, so you can do a lot. And I always talk about the gold because I just love the gold trim. Also, these were not expensive at all. They're very comfortable because you have a really thick heel, so that's really nice. So yeah, these are like $20, y'all. And like I said, I'll get all my shoes from Ego, so next we have the other OGs, y'all. I love these emerald shoes. I call it emerald because that's what the color is. These are my ribbon heels. They're so pretty on the feet. Also, look at these. Since it's not so wide, these make your feet look so small, y'all. And that's a good thing. When you have like big feet, I've always say I have big feet. I'm not telling you guys the size I wear, okay? I don't do that. Women, don't tell anybody your shoe size. But they make your feet look super small. But these are like, and then you can tell they're kind of thinner, but like your feet are very sturdy up in here. If you have fat feet, your feet aren't going anywhere and you don't have to worry about this messing up. I always make sure to say this because like, the good thing to notice, like, it's a ribbon. So like you would think looking at this, like it's easy to tear. No, this isn't going anywhere. So y'all don't have to worry about that if you get these. I don't even know if these are on their site anymore because I tried to find them and they're not. So if they're not, I got lucky, but I'm pretty sure they're going to bring them back. Let's get right into the next one. I'm going to talk about are the pink ones. Yeah, I know I love these. I talk about these all the time. I just love the molding. My sisters, everybody love these shoes. So these are cute and they're surprisingly comfortable too, but you got to remember, this is look how thin that heel is. It's like, you got the mold, but this is what you're walking on. So they're kind of like not the most comfortable, but fashion is not supposed to be comfortable. You're supposed to be looking good. You take pictures, you be comfortable. If you want to be comfortable, wear some flat shoes, okay? If you're wearing heels, you're not going to be that comfortable, but you can still look cute at the same time. So these are definitely my favorites now, just because these are my only pink shoes I got, and I really want to wear some more pink. Like, I really need pink, black and pink, black, pink. Anyways, these are really cute. I love them. They're new favorites, guys. And I just love, I love sandal heels, so they will always be a favorite. Let's get right into the next. So getting into my block heels, these are the first block heels I've ever bought. These are like truly block. These, obviously, my block heels are not uncomfortable to walk in. They're very comfortable because they're thick and they're like a really thick heel. So I got these because I wore them with shorts. I like wearing these with shorts. I feel like you go to the beach or it's like comfortable outside, this is what you will wear. They also have these in like green, orange, white, black. and then the tan. I want every last one of those. Except I want every last one of those. I was gonna say I didn't really care for the black ones, but I really want the pink ones. I feel like they just look so cute. But these are they just give me retro vibes. That's why I got them. It's like they had their whole retro collection. I noticed when they do their block heels, they also have these without the string, y'all. And if you like that style from like the early 90s, 2000s, I need to get those because I want those. So the string is very high, guys, and it's like a really thick material, so you don't have to worry about it coming down either. I kind of like tying mine around the ankle because I feel like it looks better like that. Also, it's just more sturdy for me. You know, I never really tie my string like really, really high. Unless I'm wearing like a skirt or dress, that would make sense. But if I'm wearing like shorts or something, I would probably tie them toward the ankle so I know it's really sturdy. I'm going to show you the rest of my block. So we have the white ones, and these are so cute. I love these because these are triangular. They're triangular, and they're like, it's more, I don't know what that means. It's like, they're very sturdy. Maybe it's because they're like angled, but it works. I just love the aesthetic of how it looks. You really can't go wrong with these. These are cute. They also go really, really high. You can wear these however you like, guys. They have these also in, I believe, pink and orange and green. I don't think they have green. But I know they have them in, I don't think they have them in tan. Y'all have to check the website. Just type up sandal block heels. But they are also very not expensive at all. So also, on that note, I have the red ones, which are probably my other favorite. My sister got these for me because she knows I love shoes. I love ego shoes. Here they go. The difference is the string. Obviously, you have the, it's not a string. You have the tie. Oh, why do I never know what these are called? You have like a belt. It's something, the regular shoe, the regular shoe tie thing. But the other ones are the strings. So these are obviously more sturdy. Like you are easier, like you don't have to worry about none coming down. These are really cute too, by the way. These are also my only red shoes. They just make a statement. I really want to get some red sandal heels though, like stiletto heels, because I feel like red is just such a popular color, such a showstopper. It's like eye popping, people looking at your feet. So I would definitely recommend these if y'all want to be extra. They are so worth it. So these are my sandals, y'all. I have my other pair, which are pink at the house, and then we have lastly are the boots. So these are very comfortable. Oh my God, and I'll tell you how the most comfortable sandals ever. They're like block sandals. I don't know what it is. Like I got these because I love the whole retro thing they was going for with the block shoes. So I had to get these. These were not expensive. I got them for like $30. Okay, they were so worth it. They're very comfortable. I always say just be careful. You don't get water on these because like, yeah, you just gonna have to let them dry. But other than that, they're worth it. Worth it if you want to go like, if you're looking for a good vacation shoe, definitely take these because it's like you want comfortable stuff to walk in, but you can also look very cute in them. So now we're gonna get right into the boots. I have become a big boot person, y'all, and I have to buy some more. I love the chunky boots, and these are very chunky. I get really a lot of compliments on these. These are really cute and they're comfortable. So I got scuff marks on them already. I was like, how did I do that? Because I like barely wear these out. These are medium size length, and the string go all the way up, but also you tie them on the boot. So they go around like how this is, you would tie it all on the boot. Or you can know however you want to do them over it. It's up to you. But the boots are really cute. And these were like $40. I got these like last year, I believe. And they were worth the price. I always wanted some. These are like the first chunky boots I ever bought. So with the white ones, y'all know I talk about these a lot. I wear these a lot too. Also, I need to zip them up, but this is it. My mom do not like these. I don't know. I think they just think they look like regular rain boots, but they're not. The zipper makes them different. That's what the point is. I want these in the other color. They have them in like a grunge green and like a black with like a rose gold zipper. I think those would be so cute to wear with some jean shorts. Oh my God. But I had to get these. These were like $50, $60. Unfortunately, these are like the only ones I ever paid full price for because I really wanted these. I got them the first day they got out, y'all. I do that a lot with like some things. If like I would get it immediately when they come out. But I got these like last year, so I've been wearing them, and you can obviously tell they're really good for the weather. Snow, they'll get you through some ice storms, y'all. I was walking to work like 2 semesters ago when I wasn't driving, and they got me through like walking on ice. I didn't fall or nothing, y'all, because I could have broke my neck walking on ice. But these saved me, so they will forever be favorites. And lastly, we have the OG boots too. These are also OG because they're just like one of the first pairs also I got. They're also the most uncomfortable. I say this a lot. I did a video of my uncomfortable shoes, and these were probably number one. They're uncomfortable, but they're really cute, and I plan on wearing them when I start traveling. Okay, whenever I go to London, New York, whatever, I'm taking these with me. The boots it's like they're uncomfortable, but they're really cute. It's kind of like they hurt your feet. My feet is not like, this is my size shoe, but it's because the heel is very high, and it also, you see the angle, you're walking forward, so you're like doing a stank walk, but it's like a cute stank walk, but like your feet gonna be hurting no matter what up in these things, but it's worth it because you know what? Fashion is pain, beauty is pain, fashion pain, whatever. It's all pain, but it's worth it. So on that note, I just wanted to show you guys more of my shoes. I love talking about Ego shoes. I really need to be sponsored by them. I'm like, I buy so much of their stuff. They don't mean I need to be sponsored. I just would love to. So when that time comes, we'll be happy. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I Am Tatyana Green. Follow my makeup Instagram, y'all. Makeup with Tatyana. Follow my adventure. I have an adventure channel because I'm traveling now. Adventures with Tatyana. Follow my blog, I Am Tatyana. That's a lot, okay? I'm going to leave my Instagram handle up this whole video anyway. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go get y'all some shoes, okay? Ego shoes are not expensive at all. And it's my style. I just love it. My mom doesn't get this style, but I'm trying to get her fashion in order, so she's going to be wearing them anyway. So I will see you guys in the next video. Go check out my other videos. Bye.